Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 34 Windsor Street in the premier Grove Place area of downtown Rochester.
This is an historic, all-brick, two-family home with a carriage house for commercial space. What a great investment! So let's take a tour.
This historic and picturesque two-family home welcomes you with a classic foyer, leading to a first-floor apartment with an expansive eat-in kitchen with an Art Deco wall of windows and porch access, open to a living room with built-ins, all with 3 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom. The second-floor apartment features an eat-in kitchen, a bedroom, an expansive living room or second bedroom, and a full bathroom.
This historic two-family home is the perfect blend of Federal and Art Deco style, with original Medina stone sidewalks and steps, in a rear carriage house with commercial zoning for your business or an additional apartment. Grove Place is the premier neighborhood of Rochester. Steps away from the prestigious Eastman Theater with the world-renowned Jazz Festival and downtown. Here we are in the trendy Park Avenue area with great shopping and restaurants.
Could you imagine living or running your business here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 34 Windsor Street in Grove Place of downtown Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!